Welcome to the ModSanta Seller Setup Guide. In this tutorial, we explore the Shipping Zones section inside the seller dashboard. This page is used to define the delivery areas where a store can accept customer orders. The steps shown here demonstrate how the system works. When setting up your own store, simply enter the details that match your business configuration. Shipping zones determine where your store is able to deliver orders. Only customers located inside active zones can place orders. Because of this, having at least one active shipping zone is important for storefront visibility. The process begins from the left side navigation menu. Inside the shipping section, the Shipping Zones page opens the area where delivery regions are managed. If no shipping zone has been created yet, the page shows a message indicating that at least one zone is needed before shipping can be configured. From the Shipping Zones page, the process moves into the Zone Creation form. This form is used to define the zone profile, assign its coverage area, and connect it to the correct shipping setup. The first field is Name. This field is used as the internal label for the shipping zone. It helps identify the purpose of the zone inside the dashboard and makes shipping setup easier to manage later. Sellers should enter a zone name that matches their own delivery structure. The next field is Status. This field controls whether the zone is active inside the platform. An active zone allows customers in that delivery area to place orders. An inactive zone remains unavailable for ordering until it is activated. Sellers should use the status that matches how they want the zone to function in their store setup. The next field is Country. This field is used to define which country the shipping zone applies to. It helps the platform match the zone to the correct delivery area. Sellers should select the country that matches their own shipping coverage. Where needed, additional zones can be created for other countries or delivery regions. The next field is Tax. This field is used to connect the shipping zone to the tax rule that should apply within that area. Rules and regulations may vary depending on the region where a business operates. Sellers should always verify the correct information using the relevant local authority or professional advisor. This tutorial only demonstrates how to configure the system inside the platform. Sellers should select the tax setup that matches their own store configuration and regional requirements. The form also includes the rest of the world option. This setting is used to create a broader shipping zone that covers locations not already included in other existing zones. It is useful when the store accepts orders outside specifically defined delivery regions. This allows sellers to extend shipping coverage more broadly without creating a separate zone for every location individually. Sellers should use this option only when it matches their own shipping structure and business setup. Once the required shipping zone details are completed, the form is saved and the new zone becomes part of the shipping setup. After saving, the zone appears in the shipping zones list. From here, sellers can view the profile, search for specific entries, sort by columns, or continue managing shipping coverage as needed. Having at least one active zone is important because it allows the store to remain available to customers inside the supported delivery area. After a zone is created, the zone profile can be opened again to manage states or regions within that shipping area. This allows the shipping setup to become more specific where regional coverage is needed. The available states or regions shown here depend on the business area settings that have already been enabled in the platform. If a required region does not appear, that usually means it has not been enabled within the broader platform configuration. In that case, sellers may need to confirm the setup with the platform administrator or support team. As the Shipping Zones page is reviewed again, a few best practice points become clear. Keeping at least one zone active helps ensure the store remains visible and available for orders. Clear internal zone names help make delivery setup easier to manage. A separate worldwide zone can be useful when broader shipping coverage is needed. And when states or regions are missing, that usually relates to platform-level business area settings rather than the shipping zone form itself. That completes the walkthrough for this section of the seller dashboard. This tutorial demonstrated how this feature works inside the platform. Once configured, these settings help ensure the store operates correctly. The next part of shipping setup usually includes carrier and shipping rate configuration, which completes the delivery setup process for the store. Continue to the next tutorial to complete the remaining setup steps for your store.